Do you guys hear? Can you hear those birds going off? I'm just gonna have a look.
Alright, I'm just gonna have a look here. They might.
Oh my God! There's a. I love sitting here painting with you. Do you hear that? Do you guys hear? Can you hear those birds going off? I'm just gonna have a look.
Alright, I'm just gonna have a look here. They might be telling us something.
Oh my God! There's a goanna! It's a goanna! Quick, Aaron! There's a goanna! Shh, 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 shh. Oh my God, boys. Oh, dudes, that's amazing. It's amazing. See, boys, when you listen to nature, they tell you a lot, and those kookaburras were carrying on far too much for me to just think this is a storm coming later or something. So, what are you guys doing?
We're waiting for the goanna to come out.
Do you reckon he's going to come out?
Yeah. I reckon he's after some bunnies.
You reckon he's, yeah, bunnies, I reckon he is too. Has he come out?
Yes.
Oh, do you know where he...
He came out of the blackberry bush.
He came out of the blackberry bush. Noogie, where is he?
I love doing
I know, it's all very exciting. It's very exciting. Do you know where he went?
He went up to that tree.
He went over to the tree, all right.
Let's send Daddy.
All right, that sounds good. We can- Yeah, I'm happy to send Daddy too, to be honest with you. All right.
Daddy just went through the fence and is coming around the corner.
All right, let's go. Hang on, I've got to get through the fence now.
He's over there, Dad. Up to the tree. That's where he is. You'll see him. Over there. See him?
Keep going.
Keep going. Can you see him? Daddy's behind the trunk. Be careful. Group hug. Group hug.
Keep going.
Careful, Daddy. Yay! You got it! Yoo-hoo! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and please like this video. See you next time.